Hi! So good to see you again. I'm so glad you came back. Well, today, if you haven't guessed it by the title, I'm going to be opening up Glow Addict Beauty Box. This is a monthly subscription. It comes in 2 different sizes. So there is a Glow Addict Beauty bag, 4 to 6 items, and runs $13.99. And this is the Glow Addict Beauty Box, which gives you 5 to 7 products, and it's $18.99 plus shipping. So I paid $21.99 for everything. First thing you always get is a card included. It gives you a list of all the items included this month, a brief description, and the cost. It's a Crown Pro 16 color Chroma matte palette, and this runs $12. This is the back of it, very nondescript. You can't tell what's in the box. Comes bubble wrapped, always a plus in my book. There's a mirror included, always a good thing. So that is all the colors that are included. That's the first one. Oh, it's super light. Or is it? No? Kind of the dusty yellow color. Oh, that's a better yellow. A little bit of a gold shimmer. I like that. That's cute. That is not what I thought that color would come out to. It's like, it looks pink. It's more like a desert sand color, honestly. Ooh, that's a light green. Nope, still light. Ooh! Ooh! Finally, some pigment! Love it when it shows up. It's like, yes! Yes! That's what we're doing. We're showing up. So that's everything on the first row. Oh, that's a nice pink shimmer. I like that. I don't know how I feel about that one. Oh, that's a nice purple. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, stop the presses. What is that? I found something I like. Ooh, that's an interesting blue. I could have come straight out of the Jeffree Star palette, honestly. That's a really interesting blue. Last color. Oop. Yep. So that's the top row, and that's the bottom row. One thing I will say, there is an obscene amount of fallout. Just so you're aware, there's a lot. And with the very first color, that deep dark brown, I love this color. Purple is super vibrant. This palette's hit and miss for me because there are some colors in here that are super vibrant and I'm just like, ooh, getting like chills. And then there are other colors that I'm like, why? For $12 though, I don't know. Next thing I have is a Sonia Kashuk number 2 Twist Up Longwear Gel Liner. Ooh, and it's in the color Black Diamond. Oh, that's a gel liner. Looks very pencil-y to me, but it's a gel liner. That's what they said. I'll go lightly, because usually I end up breaking them. Oh, crap. Ooh, she has sparkles in her, too. Look at that. The Black Diamond. One thing I will say about Black Diamond is she is a thick lady. Even if you don't want her to be, she goes on real thick. I really do like the sparkles, if you can see that. Use very sparingly and know what you're doing, because I don't. And this is $10, so this is a decent price for you want a black liner with sparkles in it. Sonia's got you covered. Ooh, got lashes. Oh no, I don't know if this is gonna work. You know I'm gonna be looking wonky with these. You see this one right here? She didn't even stick to the thingy, so she might not be as curvy as she should be. And I'm saying this so you know, if she comes off while I'm still filming, it's because I started at a disadvantage. And this is vegan and cruelty-free, which is always good. And she has her information at the back. This one's $15, which She's like right in the middle of pricey. You're like, girl, I look like I'm crying colors. Oh my word. I gotta say, they're super sturdy. They feel super feathery. Like, oh. But yeah, I would spend the $15 on these. I gotta say, they feel super good. Reapply some of the eyeshadow because I got glue on my eyelids. But I'm sure that's happened to you before too. So, don't judge me. Ruby May Glossy AF. And Glossy AF runs $15. Ooh. That's a gloss? That looks like a liquid lip. I feel like I just got lied to. Feeling a little suspect here. This really feels like a liquid lip. It's a nice color. It works for me. I mean, I would do it. I have an HD finishing powder. And this is by Naked Cosmetics. And it's called Banana. That's what she looks like. I mean, it's a powder. What else do you expect? She runs $23 for this. Yeah, it works, I guess. For finishing powder. It's supposed to finish up with it. I don't know about $23 for a powder though, but. A product by Sorme, and this is a lip and cheek velvet stick. And it's in the shade Naughty. No smell. That's Sorme there. Ooh. What is that? I'm just gonna, since it's a cheek stain, just stain them cheeks. Oh, wow. Ooh, ooh. Yes, honey, take pictures of me. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh my goodness, I thought I was done. In the box. This is from Lashy box, and it says dampen the towel to remove your makeup with no other products needed. No soap? Ooh, it's wicked soft. Oh, nails. And this is $5. I thought I'd do it on camera. See how it goes. Wish me luck. So it definitely did take off a lot of the makeup. Yeah, it did a good job. So I spent $21.99 and I got $102 worth of stuff. I liked how I looked. It was really funny, but it was cool. If you like what you saw, hit that like button. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.